Everyone, this is Connverz and this is the dashboard. Today we'll be talking about message templates, how we can create them. So on the left hand side, you can see the menu. You just have to click on message templates. Out here, we will see all the message templates which are already created. There's a pagination down there. If you want to see the other templates, you can just go next and see templates. To create a new template, there's a button for create template. And if you've created some templates on Facebook itself, you can just sync those. Just click on sync and they'll be synced. To create a new template, I'm clicking on that create template button. So I'll name this template or the confirm, and I just add. Then I'll add a language to it, which is English, looks US. I'll just give a header to this, other confirmation. Then I'll add a body to it, which I already have saved or copied. Thank you for shopping with Connverz. We are will be obliged. You can also add variables. If you want to add variables, all the variables will be added at the end of your message. You can just copy these, paste where you want to place those variables. Just remember, just don't keep it 1, keep it 2 and 3. As many variables you have, as please add the numerical value for those. Then we go to adding some sample content for those variables. So I'll just add test content and I'll give a description of footer. Thanks from Connverz. Then we have some custom buttons which I'll add, which is one is thanks. The other one is support. So these are buttons which will just give back a reply. If you want a call phone number button, we can also add a call phone number button. Call 91 and then you can give your number and just click on create template to create the template. In case of any errors, you'll be finding those errors out here. Those errors are majorly because you have created a duplicate template or you using a same kind of content. But since we are not doing that, there are no errors and your status is now pending. Within a couple of minutes, if your account is 1 month old, within a couple of minutes, this status should be approved. In case if this is a utility, there are chances it could be rejected, but that totally depends on what your content is. I think that's pretty much it for today. Thank you, guys.